On the left hand top corner you can see this login icon. Just click on to login. Use your client code. I'm using my client code. Just type the password. You can notice that and press OK. Just wait for a while. The software gets loaded and now you are ready to start your trading. What if you forgot your password? Now let us see what you should do. In the login menu you can see this forgot unlock password menu. So if you forgot your password, just click on it and just wait. Now you can see it asks for your user ID, which is your client code. So I am providing my client code. It will ask for your email ID, your registered email ID which you used while opening your trading account. You should use the same email ID here. I had provided my email ID. Just press the submit button. A message, forgot password request sent. Go and check your email. You can notice that in my email I got my password reset mail. Just open the email and you can see email from Goodwill Commodities stating this is your user ID and the default password. Just copy this default password. Just I'm going to log in again by pressing the login icon on the left hand top. I'm going to type my client code. Then in the password I need to paste the default password. Then I should type the new password whatever I want. So I am typing my own password. Just confirm the password. Click OK. Now it's OK. Every 14 days our Odin diet will request you to change your password based upon the regulator's request. Now everything is set ready. Now let us explore further how to place order using this Odin diet software. By default you can see the highlighted workspace is workspace 1. For placing orders we should choose commodity. How to choose the commodity? Go to this first market watch menu. Just click on it and this black color window will open. At times you may get this type of messages from the admin. Just close it and we will look into that later. In order to add a particular commodity, just after clicking the market watch, this black color window will open. Why it is highlighted the workspace 1? Whatever we are doing is related to the workspace 1. Here the next you can see this white color box. The first one is mentioned MCX. Okay, this is the segment which we are using for trading. In the second column you choose FUTCOM. By default all the commodities will come in the next column. You can see that let us choose some commodities. Aluminium. The next column gives you the expiry date, contract expiry date. Just press enter. That's all. How I am doing it, I am going to repeat it again. You can enlarge this window. You can drag and enlarge this window. Now you got everything, which is you got the aluminium price here. How to add crude oil? Just type CRUDE. You need not type the entire word. You can see just pull down menu. You can see crude oil. Just choose the expiry date, Feb. Okay, if you want to choose the next contract also, you can choose it. Likewise you can add any commodity. You can add gold. Just click on this expiry. Just press enter. I am pressing enter. You should also use your keyboard for pressing enter. Then you can see all the prices coming down in the market watch. Sometimes you are getting these messages. We will look into that later, where you should see these messages in the message log. What I am going to do now is that I am going to save this. So how to organize this market watch we will be looking into in detail. In order to customize this market watch, what you should do, just click on the market watch anywhere. You can press anywhere and just right click. You will see column profile. Just click on the column profile, where you will be seeing a lot of right in the left hand side you will see the available column. On the right hand side you will see the selected column. You can move column here and there based upon your requirement. So whatever column you want, you can add and remove using this add and remove icons. What you should do is that after setting this, I had set a default what are the list I want, like symbol, by price, by quantity. What are the things which I prefer? I can set it on the selected columns. You can give a name and you can save it. Just press save and click OK. It will ask for confirmation, then press yes. Now you can see how this market watch got organized and customized based upon our requirement. So now you feel that you want some gap between each row. What you should do, press shift and press enter. That's all. Click on a particular commodity, press shift and then press enter. Now you can notice that we are creating a single line space between each commodity to make this have a feel better look. What you need to do, whatever you do in this, you right click, and here you can notice that we have save column profile. Click on save column profile and press yes, then click OK. So everything got saved, so you need not bother about the next time when you come again and use our trading software. You need not bother that. You can use the same saved profile. I had chosen some important columns. The first one is symbol, the symbol for a particular commodity. The next is the expiry date, contract expiry date. The next one is buy quantity, buy price, last trading price, sell price and sell quantity. Now let us see our putters focus on the LTP, the last trading price. The last price at which a particular commodity was traded is called the last trading price. You can see on both the side we have buy price and sell price, which means that one lot, one quantity. Here I told you this is the buy quantity. So one lot is available. Now it keeps changing time per second by second. So at present, see, 2 lots are available for buying at this particular price. If we see on the right hand side, one lot is available for selling at this particular selling price. That is what it actually means. I am going to repeat it again. What is last trading price? The last trade happened at this particular price for their particular commodity. On the two sides you will see the buy price and the sell price. Buy price, near the buy price you are seeing buy quantity, which means that, let us see, in crude oil, 3 lots and 4 lots. Now it keeps on changing time to time. 4 lots is available at this buying price. On the right hand side you are seeing that 11 lots are available for selling at this particular price. So whichever is getting executed you can see as a last trading price. The next column is high, the high that was created during the trading session for a particular day. It keeps on changing when it creates a new high. The low that was created during the trading session for a particular day, it also keeps on changing whenever it creates a new low. Opening, price opening, and the previous day's price closing, where the price closed on the previous day. The final column is DPR, daily price range. DPR means daily price range. As you all know that how this is calculated, we have a circuit limit. So when we see the price closing, 4% above the price closing and 4% below the price closing, they fix the DPR. And once the price reaches the DPR limit, the market, as per the rules and regulation of the regulator and the exchange, the market will be halted for a certain period of time and the daily price range will be released. So that is the importance of DPR. You should make a note of the DPR. Now you can see the price is trading near 6,142. For example, I am taking crude oil, 6,142. You can see the DPR. You can drag and see the DPR also. You can notice that the price is around the upper limit is 5885. If the price is hitting the bottom price of 5885, the market will be freezed for a certain period of time. As I told, it depends upon the rules and regulation of the exchange. And the top limit, now you can see the top limit is 6,375. If the price is moving up till 6,375, the price can move. After that, that depends upon the rules and regulation of the exchange. We have a circuit limit for everyday price action that is calculated based upon the previous day's price closing, 4% above and 4% below, that is called daily price range. These are all certain important columns which I had added based upon every trader's requirement. You can add, as I told you, just I want to refresh it again, go to column profile and you can choose anything you want to do. Few may add a total buying quantity, total buying selling quantity. That depends upon traders to trader. This is a way you can customize and your market watch column. Note that whatever you're doing is in the workspace 1. If you want to create different workspace for different commodity, you can do this. If I am choosing workspace 3, what I will do, I am going to repeat it again. So I am going to click market watch, and if I want to add any commodity, for example, what I feel is that I want to have a separate market workspace for gold alone, because I may be spreading my risk on different contracts within gold itself. So what I feel is that I need to have a separate workspace. See, just I am pressing enter for particularly for gold. So if you want a spacing between each row, shift enter, just choose it, shift enter, just select that, shift enter, that's all. If you want to customize your column, right click, go to column profile, you can see your saved column profile, just press OK and just press S, your column profile is ready. So like that you can use a different workspace for different commodities based upon the trader's requirement. If you want to see the market picture for a particular commodity, what you should do, just click on the particular commodity for which you want to see the market picture. On the top menu you can see after home you will see market, come up and you will see market picture. Just click on it and you will get this box, pop-up box, which shows you the market picture for a particular commodity. If you want to use shortcut key, that's the simplest way. Just press on any commodity, use F5. F5 is the shortcut key. Just press F5 and then you will get this market picture. Now let us see what this market picture is telling us. Basically the market picture provides us some add-on information about the price. In the market watch, what you're seeing is the first price position. Market picture gives you the best top 5 pricing position. You can notice that now I have selected gold. If you see the gold price, the first one is here. You can notice that it keeps on changing. Whenever that it is updated, the first position you will be seeing in the market watch column. But here you are going to see the top 5 positions, which means that these are all the buy quantities that were placed on queue, and these are all the sell quantities that were placed on queue. The total queue position of the buying quantity and the total queue position of the selling quantity. This number 627 people already had placed the buying order for this at this price, at the selected price, and total number of 388 people are ready to sell at a selected price. Total queue position, that is the waiting list position, you can see that the best 5 prices you can see that in the market picture. And few add-on informations like whatever you are seeing in the market watch, you can see that last trading quantity, last trading time, volume, value, average trading price, percentage change, open, high, low, close. But the additional information is lifetime high and lifetime low for a particular contract. You should have that in mind. It means for a particular contract alone. It is not the lifetime high for a particular commodity. It is only for particular contract you can see the lifetime high. That is for this purpose we are using this market picture. What you should do, just click on any commodity, press F5, which is the shortest way to go for market picture, or go to the top menu, you can select market and then select market picture. You will get this market picture. Like how we saved the column profile, you should save this portfolio also. How to save your script portfolio? Right click on it. On the second you can save portfolio. Just click on it and give some name. and click OK. So your portfolio is also saved. The third part is, the first one is column profile. You should save your column profile. Second is you should save your script portfolio. The third is you should save your workspace also. What you should do, go to the top and click on the Odin icon. Now you can see save workspace. It comes, then another pop-up window opens. Just type whatever you want. Already I have used GWC. I'm going to use GWC1. Save it. That's all. So whenever you open this same trading platform again, you need not do these type of activities again and again repeatedly. So once you save all these things, so once you open up, right away you can jump into trading. I know you are all eagerly waiting for placing orders. Now let us see how to place order using our trading platform. Before placing order, we need to check our fund position. So for that, what you should do, on the top home menu, you can notice that the last one is fund view. Just click on the fund view. In this pop-up window, your funds details are provided. The top one is the deposit, whatever you have in your trading account. You can see the total. In this particular case, the deposit is around 5,463.9. If you are taking some margin funding, some limit or exposure, it will be mentioned in this particular area called multiplier. What you should do, in order to view your fund, just click on the fund view. This pop-up window will open and see your total amount. Whatever limit or exposure or funding you expected from goodwill commodities, you see as a multiplier, which means that multiply this by 20, it gives you the margin exposure limit, the total net exposure limit. So just always check your fund position before placing orders. That can avoid some panic. Placing an order is very simple when you use our charting platform. Just click on any commodity for which you want to buy or sell. Just click on that. On the top you will see the menu icons. Buy order. Press buy order. Now you can see a blue color box is coming down. Just on the price column, you need to place the price at which price you want to buy a particular commodity. Then press the submit button. That is how you place a buy order. I am going to close this and I am going to repeat it again. In order to buy or sell any commodity, just click on a particular commodity. On the top you have these icons, buy and sell icon. Press on any icon. Now I had pressed the sell icon. Now you could see a red color box is coming up. If you want to sell at any particular price, in the price box you just place the price, whatever price you want to sell, and then press the submit button. This is how you place a buy and sell order. Now let us see the shortcut key. If you want to use shortcut key, it is F1 for buying. Just place the cursor and click on any commodity. Press F1, which is for buying, F2, which is for selling. So these are the shortcut. Just remember F1, F2. It is very simple. Now let us see what are the various options available in this buy order entry or sell order entry box. You can see initially the first box is reference to the exchange in which you are trading. The second is the order type, where you need to specify whether it is a regular order, which is RL, or a stop loss order, which is SL. Then the instrument name, symbol. Just whenever you place an order, you need to verify the symbol is placed perfectly. If you want to buy crude oil, it should come as crude oil. Here you got the expiry date, trading quantity, and total lot. In terms of lot, you are placing an order, not in terms of total weight. So you should cross check whether it is mentioned in terms of lot or in terms of weight. The price, whatever price you want to buy or sell any particular commodity. Coming to the bottom, you will be seeing the product type. By default it shows carry forward, which means that you are going to carry and forward this particular position to the next day or till the contract expires. If you are doing a day trading, you should choose intraday. So these are the product types, two product types that are available. You need to check the validity. So the validity column, if you pull down the pull down menu, you will see day. A day validity means the particular order is valid for a particular day alone. Even if you forget to cancel that particular order within a day, your order will be cancelled automatically by our server. If it is a GTC order, so these are the two orders. In the validity menu, you may be seeing some 5 options, but we are focused only on the 2 things which will be of use to you. The other things you can leave it. GTC order, which means good till cancel. The name implies that the order holds good till you cancel the particular order on your own. So if you put a day validity, automatically the order will be cancelled within a particular day. If you had mentioned GTC, then it means the order is valid till the end of the contract. You yourself should go and cancel that order. That holds good for carry forward traders. We call as positional traders also. So after, you need to cross check it all the time, whether the symbol, expiry and your product type, validity, everything is proper. Then press the submit button for placing order. If you want to place order at the market price, for example, since the price is moving drastically, if there is any fundamental news or something is happening, if the price is moving drastically fast, what you need to do is that if you want to place order as a market price, which means at the best price whatever available at the current market condition, just cancel everything. Don't put any price value into this box. Just press submit. When you press the submit button, it will again reconfirm it whether you want to place this order. If you press again, that's all, your order will be placed. I am going to show you a demo, real demo, how to place an order. Just I want to repeat it again so that you can understand it well. If I want to place an order, click on particular commodity, press the sell order icon or F2, then you will get this box at the bottom. If you see the box, check which exchange, order type and instrument, symbol, expiry date and the total number of lot you want. By default it comes as 1. I will also explain you how to set these default settings and the price at which you want to buy a particular commodity or product, whether it is a intraday validity or you are going to carry forward to the next day validity of the particular order. These are the things you should take care before placing a particular order. So now we will see a live demo how to place an order. Now I am going to place a buy order in gold guinea. Just I am going to click it. I am going to press F1. By default you can notice that on the top you will see my client code. So this is how you need to verify that you are placing order in your client code. By default it takes a client code. You can verify that also. You now notice that on the selling price column you will see in 23768. When I press the buy order, that was the best selling price. I can place a buy order at the market price, which means the best selling price. I can place the buy order. You can place any buy order based on the selling price. The concept is very simple. You can buy something only if it is in offered for selling. If you want to place a buy pending order, you can also do that. Now I will show you how I am going to place a buy order immediately at a market price. I am going to click it here, just pressing F1, or you can use the icon also. Now the price, by default the best price will come here. If you want to look at the best 5 price, as I told you earlier, just press F5. Then now you can see the best 5 price available for me to buy gold guinea. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to place a buy order at this 23766. I am going to verify it is a regular order and instrument gold guinea. In this particular contract you should always verify the contract, since we have a lot of contracts running, so you should verify the contract. Only one lot I am going to place it, and what I am going to do is that I am going to change the product type as intraday, validity for a particular day. So if I am going to press submit and I am going to click it, so what happens? Now let us see that. Now let us see the status of that order. In order to see the status of that order, what you should do is that on the top you will see the home, market and reports. Click on the reports and there you got message logs. Click on the message log. Here you are seeing at what time we placed the order. Now you can notice that trade order bought intraday against, we placed an intraday order at the particular price 23767, and finally you will see this message, order confirmed. So in order to reconfirm that, what you should do is that just go to this trade book icon in the reports. Go to the trade book icon, the new window will open and you can see in that window MCX, member ID of the member, trade ID, at what price you had purchased and all the details. Only confirmed executed order will be visible in the trade book. You can verify at what price, this price you bought it, normal order, a regular order, what are the things you can verify that. The shortcut for this is F8. So you can use both the ways. One is you can use the report and press this trade book and the trade book will be displayed, or what you can do is that press the particular commodity, press F8. That is a shortcut key and you can see the details here. Only confirmed order, the executed order will be displayed on the trade book. Now let us see another example. I want to place a buy order which is a pending order, where I will confirm whether the order is placed properly. Now let us see that. Now I am going to place a pending order for buying. So just I am clicking on a particular commodity which is gold guinea. So pressing F1. Now you can see that the current best price is around 23,764. I am interested in purchasing gold guinea at 23,700. So I had changed it. The other things I left it as a default. So my client code I need to verify, expiry, symbol, whether it is a regular order or stop loss order. I am coming after a stop loss order in a few minutes. The product type is carry forward. Okay, everything's okay. Now I am going to press submit. It will ask for confirmation. I am going to press it again. Now you can see the order got submitted. You can also see the order display here. You will click the order message, the message box will pop up and you can notice that 23,700 validity and the order got placed. So if it is a pending order, as I told you earlier, it will not be in the trade book. Only trade book will get executed order, whatever order that are executed in the exchange, that you can see that in the trade book. But pending order, where you should go and see that, you should see that in the order book, the first box, the order book. Press on the order book where you will see that the order book on the top itself. You can see pending, all the pending orders you can see in the order book. I think that 23,700 is a very big price. I want to buy it immediately, so I want to modify. Right click on that, click on the particular order, right click, press modify, and now I can modify the same order. The difference between a modified order and a fresh order is that you can now see all blocked black color box. So I can change only two things here. One is the lot and the next is the price. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to modify it to 10 points upward. So I can press it, and then again you can notice that the order got modified. Now if you see the price here, it is 23,710. So this is how all the pending orders you need to verify, and you should see that in the order book. What is the shortcut for this? One way is go to the order book icon and press it. The other way is the shortcut key F3. Just press on a particular commodity and press F3, which will display you the available pending order here. If you want to cancel that order, what you should do, right click on it and you can cancel. You can cancel all the orders, or you can cancel a particular order. Cancel all will cancel all the orders, cancel will cancel a particular order. So there is no order here. You can go to the message log and you can verify what are the messages that is coming out, whether you got cancelled order. You can, now we had cancelled a particular order. In the message log you can see 23710 got cancelled. As I told you, the other option is just click on this order box. Now the pop-up window will come. Here also you can see it is cancelled. So this is how you can place a buy order. Let me show an example for sell order also the same way. Just press F2. Now you can see I'm going to increase the price. I'm going to place a pending order above 823. Now I'm placing it. Just if you want to verify it, I am going to this order book. You can see my order is confirmed. If it is a pending order, it will be, I'm going to press F3. It is in the pending order, so I'm going to modify it. So I can modify it to whatever price I want. Just I can increase it and I will submit. The order got modified. So if I want to cancel, just I'm going to click, right click, cancel a particular order. So that's how the order got cancelled. This is how you can place a pending order and an order at the best price. You know that we have an order which is in the trade book, which is open at 23,767. We bought a particular one. So just to refresh it, I am pressing F8 to see at what price I bought this particular order. So I bought this at 23,767. At this price I bought this particular order, which is still pending. Now I am interested in knowing about the profit and loss. Till now, at what profit my position was there. So what I should do is that go to the top menu. Here I see a net position icon. Just I'm going to click the commodity, press net position. This box integrated net position will open, where I'm seeing this gold guinea, and it provides me more details about my position. I bought at this particular price, and you can see the buy value, sell value, and the net positions. You can notice that I am interested in learning about what is the profit and loss at present. Here M2M gain loss. This is the area which shows me now I am running out in profit or loss. To what extent I am running out in profit. So I am running out in 3 rupee loss. So what I am going to do is that again I am going to do it. I am going to click the net position. Once I click the net position, go back and see the gain and loss column. See, it automatically updates. Now I am running out in 17 rupees loss. At the current price is 23750. I bought at 23767. So I am running out in 17 rupee loss. So your net position total gain, since for the demo I am using gold guinea as an example, a few traders may be trading different commodities in the same time within the same day. So the total net position you can see by seeing this MTM mark to market gain / loss. In order to know the net open position, so what is the net open position you have, you can see in this column net lot. If you see the net lot, you can see the net open positions you have. It shows me 1 plus 1, which means I have 1 buy open in gold guinea. So it's very simple. So if you want to see a net open position, just go to the top bar, press net position. That's all it's displaying. The shortcut key is Alt F6. So this is a shortcut key. Press Alt and then press F6. This is the shortcut key for seeing the net position. Now let us see what are all the other features available with our trading software. You can see intraday chart. For viewing chart, what you should do, just go, use your mouse, click any commodity, right click. At the bottom you can see intraday chart. Just click on it, wait for a while, and you can see this intraday chart window. And you should also make a note that only the current day price action you can see, not the previous day data. You can even add some indicators. So for adding indicator, just what you should do, right click on it and see add indicator. So you can also add various other indicators. The other way to see this chart feature, you can go to this analytics, where you can find the chart, click on the chart, see intraday. So within a few minutes the charts will be loaded and you can make use of this day trading chart. You can even transfer funds online. For transferring funds online, go to the top menu where you find that links. Click on the link, you will see fund transfer. Just click on it, wait for a while, and now you can see a new window opens and it will ask you for select the product MCX future, and by default we would have updated all your bank details, whatever you had provided us when you opened the trading account. So you can see your account details, you can transfer the whatever amount you want, just press the submit button. It will redirect you to your internet banking site, so by that way you can transfer fund online. The advantage is that it automatically gets updated and you can easily get exposure or margin limit for the funds whatever you are transferring. These are all the other features that are available with this ODIN trading software. Having learned how to place a buy and sell order, how to see your open position, net position, trades, order book, pending orders, these are the various things you have learned in this video tutorial. The next most and major important part is types of market order. So we are going to have a special video tutorial where we will be discussing in detail about the various types of market